Dear children, in the last class we discussed Aisha's house. Today let us learn a poem. In this poem we are going to see a day in the life of a spider, and we will also discuss one of the articles of English language. Okay. The name of the poem is
Itsy Bitsy Spider. Children, have you seen a spider? You might have seen a spider on the walls or in the corners of your house, right? Children, what is the meaning of itsy bitsy? Itsy bitsy means very small. Then tell me, what is the meaning of itsy bitsy spider? Itsy bitsy spider means very small spider. Okay?
So before we start learning the poem, let us learn the pronunciation of the article THE. If you always pronounce THE as the, it is incorrect. Sometimes we pronounce it as the and sometimes as the. So where should we change the pronunciation? Let us learn this through some examples. Okay?
Let us see the examples, children. Here you can see some words are written. Below the words, you can see the group of consonants and group of vowels. You all know that there are 21 consonants and 5 vowels in English alphabet, right? Let us see the first example. Read the word, children. T-R-E-E, tree. What is the first letter of the word tree? Yes, it is T. And tell me, children, is T a consonant or a vowel? Let us check. Find out, children. Yes, T is there in the group of consonants. So we should read this as the tree. Now let us see the second example. Read the word O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. The first letter of the word orange is O. And O belongs to the group of vowels. Understood, children? O belongs to the group of vowels. So we read this as the orange. O is a vowel, so we read this as the orange. Now let us see the third example. The word is R-A-I-N, rain. The first letter of the word is a consonant. R belongs to the group of consonants, so we should read this as the rain. Okay. Now let's see the last example. The word is U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. The first letter of the word is a vowel. So we read this as the umbrella. Children, you should see the first letter of the word. If the first letter of the word is a consonant, we read the. If the first letter of the word is a vowel, we read the. Now let us read all these examples once again. The tree, the orange, the rain, the umbrella. Did you all understand? Yes, very good. Let us read and understand the poem, children. The first line starts with an article. So let us see the word followed by the article. The word is ITSY, itsy. And the first letter of the word Itzy is I, and I is a vowel. So we read this as the Itzy. Okay. Now one more thing, children. Here you see a picture. What is this picture of? Yes, this is the picture of a spider. Now let us start reading. The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. What is the meaning of spout? Let us see what a spout is. Do you remember the rhyme? I am a little teapot. I am a little teapot, short and stout. This is my handle and this is my spout. Yes, children, a teapot has a spout. Let us see a teapot. This is a teapot and this is the spout of the teapot. What is the use of this spout? Yes, we pour out tea into a cup through this spout. Here in the poem, you see a different kind of spout. It is connected to the wall of a house. What is the use of this spout? Yes, rainwater from the terrace flows down to the ground through this spout. Okay? Itsy bitsy spider, by taking a lot of effort, climbed up the spout and he became very happy. All of a sudden, something happened. What happened to the spider? Let us see. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. All of a sudden it started raining and the rainwater from the terrace started flowing through the spout. And children, itsy bitsy spider who was inside the spout was washed away by the rainwater and it landed on the ground. Look at the spider. He fell down from the spout, but still he is happy. He is not sad. Now let us see what happens next. Out came, and children, here you see the picture of the sun. So let us read the line like this. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain, and the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. Who came out in the sky? The sun came out in the sky. What did the sun do, children? The sun dried up all the rain. What is the meaning of dried up all the rain? Dried up all the rain means dried up all the rainwater. Tell me, children, what does the sun give us? Yes, the sun gives us heat and light. Now, can you tell me, after washing the clothes, why does your mother spread all the wet clothes out in the sun? She spreads all the wet clothes out in the sun so that the heat of the sun dries up all the wet clothes. Right? Here in the poem, the heat of the sun dried up all the rainwater. Now, the ground and the spout are dry. That is how The itsy bitsy spider is able to climb the spout again. Children, what is the message that we get from the itsy bitsy spider? Yes, the message is that we should not be sad when we are not able to do the things that we want to do. We should not give up. Rather, we should try again and again, just like the itsy bitsy spider. Okay? I am assuming that you all have understood the poem. Now, let us discuss a few questions and their answers. Children, where did the spider climb? Yes, the spider climbed the water spout. How was the spider washed out of the spout? The spider was washed out of the spout by the rainwater. Was the spider sad when it fell down? No, the spider was not sad when it fell down. Children, who came out in the sky? The sun came out in the sky. What did the sun do? The sun dried up all the rainwater. Did the spider climb the spout again? Yes, the spider climbed the spout again when the rain stopped. Now tell me, children, what is the message that we get from the poem? The message is that we should not give up. We should try again and again. What is the name of the poem? The name of the poem is Itsy Bitsy Spider. Now children, let us read the poem once again. All of you listen carefully. Itsy Bitsy Spider. The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain, and the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. Children, I expect you all to learn the poem by heart. See you in the next class. Take care. Thank you.